Hello everyone, my name is Hope. I own this channel of choice. So today's video I'm just going to be showing you a trick so that your data can stay long. If your phone is eating a lot of data and you don't really know the cause, you are in the right place today. Please, if you are not subscribed to my channel, click the like button and comment. You can also share to your friends so that your friends will know what is eating up their data. So let us get started. First of all, every time your data just finish at once without you just doing anything or those kind of thing, first of all, just go to, let us check. If you want to really know the app that are eating up your data, you just click on your data, just click on it, don't click it, hold it till the thing open, then go to that network that you are using now that is eating your data. Just go to that place, tap it. If it is the other one, you can tap it. Same thing, that's what you will do. Okay, yeah, tap it now. You can see everything now. You go to app data usage. Then when you enter there, you can see number one thing that is eating up my data is VidMate 1.55 gig. Number two, FM WhatsApp. Although I just reset everything, upon I reset everything, look at what they are still eating. Okay, that is for that. Let us check VidMate, or let us start with FM WhatsApp. First of all, you go to this place, then you go to app setting. You can see upon I just reset everything. You just now look at network usage 0.20 KB, 0. Just no. Okay, what you want to do, just use less data for calls. Then I will advise you enable usage of mobile data in the background. No, don't enable. They are the one eating up your data. Just disable all of them. Then when you enter yourself, you can decide whether to use data or not. Because when you are not using the app will be eating your data automatically without you using it. Then just disable everything. So that when you enter there yourself, you can use your data by yourself. Not when you are not there, the app will be working. And this particular thing will also drain your battery down, but you won't know. You'll be thinking that your battery is not good. Don't think like that. Your battery is good. Just that there are all these apps eating up your data that are drawing your food, doing all sort of things. Not enable. When you enter there yourself, you can use the data. Thanks for watching. That is all for today. Please subscribe. God bless you. I know this video will help if you watch to the end. Thanks. See you on my next video. I really said I would drop a video on how to read any form of language, any kind of language from any place, whether you saw it in the floor or anywhere. I will be dropping the video. Stay tuned.